Welcome to Burger Town. Can I take your order? Alright, no problem. Come right up. Okay, sir, that'll be $3.75. Thank you. Come again. Here's your change. No problem. It's Alright. Yeah. Yes. Welcome to Burger Town. Can I take your order? Okay, coming right up. Oh, would you like a drink with that? Okay. Here you go. That'll be $4. You stupid mother of all God. Peace.